Top 5 Most Read Articles of Week 27, 2020 on Paints and Coatings Expert. AkzoNobel excited by innovation potential of new supplier collaborations. 5 enterprising companies have embarked on a new innovation journey with AkzoNobel after their inventive ideas were selected as part of the company's Paint the Future supplier collaboration program. The 5 collaborations in more detail. Lonza Microbial Solutions, a real-time microbial detection method. BIM Resins Instant Drying Hybrid Decorative Paints. ICL Group Safe and Stable Paint Formulations. Crotus Smart Materials Self-Healing Coatings. Wagner Painting Zero Overspray Application Equipment. Stahl to partner in research and innovation action, aiming to replace conventional polymers with novel bio-based polymers. Stahl will be one of the partners in a research and innovation action, aiming to replace conventional polymers with novel bio-based polymers for their application in coatings, textiles, home care uses and structural adhesives, named Champion, circular high-performance azomical polymers, as innovative materials originating from nature. Polymer-based products are essential to our modern lifestyle. Champion, which will launch its activities for 3-5 years starting in June 2020, is geared towards making them better suited to modern expectations in terms of their sustainability credentials. The project has been awarded Horizon 2020 BBI-JU funding and includes 14 partners from 6 European countries, coordinated by the University of York. Nouryon to complete CMC acquisition, accelerating sustainable growth. Nouryon has completed its previously announced acquisition of the carboxymethyl cellulose business of J.M. Huber Corporation. The transaction will significantly broaden Nouryon's portfolio of products in carboxymethyl cellulose, a sustainable bio-based water-soluble polymer used as a thickener, binder, stabilizer and film former. The acquisition underlines Nouryon's strategy of investing to develop a leading position in attractive growth markets. Carboxymethyl cellulose is used in a broad range of end markets, including home and personal care, buildings and infrastructure, food, pharmaceuticals, and packaging. Virtual Formulation Assistant COATINO officially launched by Evonik. After about 2 years of development, COATINO leaves the early access phase. The virtual assistant is now available free of charge to the entire paint and coatings industry. At http://www.coatino.com, paint and coatings formulators can obtain artificial intelligence-based additive recommendations for countless applications and individual guiding formulations for pigment concentrates. COATINO can not only be used from any electronic device, but it can also be operated by voice control. COATINO is unique worldwide and was developed by Evonik in cooperation with a leading German supplier of big data and AI solutions. COATINO is continuously being expanded with new functions and even more comprehensive formulation calculations. The next milestone is already in sight. Evonik is currently researching its own smart speaker so that formulators worldwide can access the digital assistant even more flexibly in the future. Clariant's new Hostatint SI to relieve tinting reformulation challenges for North American industrial coatings manufacturers. Constant color adjustments to industrial paint formulas are history. Clariant launches a new line of pigment dispersions engineered for exact color matching, reducing the time and costs related to batch-to-batch reformulations. This novel approach answers a direct need of formulators who work on industrial, automotive, maintenance and other demanding protective coatings. New Hostatint SI pigment dispersions address one of the top challenges for North American manufacturers of solvent-based paints and coatings, the majority of which are used in industrial applications. Hostatint SI pigment dispersions are the first drop-in-ready solution for alleviating problems frequently caused by a dispersion's incompatibility with the diversity of industrial coatings bases, namely inconsistent tinting and finished product color float or post-application color rub-up. To learn more, visit www.paintsandcoatingsexpert.com.